Brenya, anapa saying.
Sammy, big Sam, you are doing way up and down.
Yamiadum. So you say if you have one, it's almost for a train master.
What's it, Mantini? What's it?
I say almost for a train master. Where are we?
Oh, sir. Ah, Bobby Nashi, we are in.
Brenya, yeah, yes, see, I know what pack of car train now for.
Oh,
and okay.
Yeah.
Chiche muka credit na we sort to train because means all can the gam.
Oh, sir, we do maybe also take drastic personal decisions. Because, okay, for instance, my budget for the month, I say, you know, now fuel and a music. So and maybe fuel price in the corner, it was, for me, it wasn't sustainable to drive to work every single day and drive back. If for me, I'm fortunate to have a very a safer, quicker, and cheaper alternative to work, I would rather use that and park. So for me, I have a train station just 7 minutes away from my house. I board at 6:25. I get to New Plant Station around 6:35, 7:35, which is way quicker and faster than even me driving sometimes. So it was better an alternative for me to park and use the car. So use the train. So it was a personal decision.
What's been the experience? Experience not to say now before I go full training now. Do you have any misgivings? Now start here and what you're saying.
Oh no, I didn't have any misgivings because when I started work at GMA at Happy FM, then I my option.
Okay.
And it is not something that is new to me. The only difference, let's say, it used to be a very modern train. So the train network, you know, it was the red, gold, green one.
Yeah.
Which wasn't the old type. It was the one with the two double engine.
Yeah.
So it was quite okay. This is and not say will be a train. No. Yeah. That was the train that was introduced. Two of them. So they've gone back to the train, the old one now. Accra and Sawim line. So that's what they are using for the Tema Accra one now. So that's the difference, and that was the surprising thing. The good thing though is that we there were two classes, or more the first class and the second class. The first class is much more comfortable than the second class, so that's the only difference in there.
So it's been worth it.
Well, it's more than worth it. But my main son and Kase, there are problems with the train system in Ghana, especially the Circle-Achimota one. Right. My first day on the train back, you do between Circle-Achimota. Now, what people do is that 24 hours, they throw stones at the train.
Oh.
And it could just go to the windows and hit you in the train. I was struggling to find out why that has become a new trend on that particular. Maybe I won't say it happens frequently now on that particular stretch of the road. That I think 2 months ago, it will be a training more prior. So that was the only new thing. So I'm very unfortunate. Yeah, very unfortunate. Yes.
Yo, Brenya, and I pay a bedosi update or the upbringing.
Okay, so maybe that's it.